Before you think of learning the guitar, watch this. I'd like to address this. How old are you? Are you between the ages of 10 and 20? That's a very good age to start. Are you between 20 and 30? That's also an okay age to start. It will be a little more like difficult because your fingers have developed and you have to actually build a muscle memory. But with dedication and a lot of practice, you can definitely do it between 20 and 30. And above that is the same issues, but it all takes practice. And I see a lot of people who want to learn the guitar, especially some of my students, they always say they want to learn because it looks cool and it's just something that they'd love to be able to do. And that's a great reason to learn the instrument. But there are a few people who have this strong passion. Like when I started playing guitar, my whole life changed because I didn't care about most things anymore. And it's hard for people around you to understand, but after a few years, say 10 years in, and you're still doing it and you become way better than you are, then people will start to understand. But if you have the passion and you're strong, you have to just keep going. Don't give up. That's all. That's the first point. Now we're going to the second point. Do you have any history of playing music? Do you dance? Do you sing? Do you play another instrument? If you have that, then it's a good step. You're like a few steps ahead of like someone who has no history, because you can use the intuition of rhythm from dance and like the music, the notes about on music, they are basically 12 notes and the little ones in between, but basically 12 notes, and they are the same on most instruments. So you don't have a problem really. If you understand music already, learning it will be way easier. But if you don't, it will like also be a little different for you. Not very difficult, but everyone started from somewhere. So having a step in music or one other instrument will be way helpful. Initially in the beginning, when I started, I didn't know about the styles, what kinds of guitars, because this is an electric guitar and this is a bass guitar. They have the same notes, but the technique of playing is not very similar. It's different, and the posture and everything is different. So you have to make this decision in the beginning. And in between guitars, we have the electric guitar, acoustic guitar, jazz guitar, semi-acoustic guitars. I started with acoustic nylon strings, and most people start with that because it's not very painful on the fingertips. Electric is a little harsh on the fingertips, and some acoustic guitars are also very harsh if you're using heavier strings. So it's important to choose what kind of guitar you want to play. Very important, because I started playing acoustic for a long time, and like 6 or 7 years into it, I wanted to be able to play solos and have fun because it looked way more interesting. So I had to change to the electric. I still play both, but now mostly I play the electric guitar. And if you start with the electric, you save time, because if you can play the electric, most acoustic, it's not hard to play. But transitioning from acoustic guitar to electric guitar is not that easy. It's like you have to learn to quiet the strings and all that. But in the next few lessons, we'll get into all that. But here, this is my first lesson, and welcome to my YouTube page. Subscribe. Follow me on all social media. You can see everything in the link below. And join me on this journey. Welcome, and I hope you enjoy the next lessons. Bye.